Hello everyone, my name is Rob. Welcome back to Rob's Cave 3.0. I know it's been a while. You see the new look, got my hair cut, got rid of the beard. Also had all my teeth removed, which is why I kind of sound funny right now because I did not put my teeth back in yet this morning, and that's really kind of freaking some people out. Just a quick overview of what's been going on. Been a lot been going on in life in general, dealing with a few things. More recently, Nala, the shop cat, she's on the mend. Some people were asking me about that. She was having free run of the house and or actually of the hallway. We had some kitty gates up to keep the dogs from coming down the hallway where she was. But one night I was actually in the living room a little later than I meant to be, and she came looking for me, jumped over the kitty gate and encountered the dogs and got hurt trying to get back under the gate. She had some swelling on her face, and she's got some scratches on her eyeball, but she's on the mend. We're actually going back today to the vet for follow-up, and so that's really good. What else has been going on? Oh yes, I've been printing some parts for a client. This is a starship from, I guess, from Starfleet Battles or something. I never really find out things like that. But yeah, so I've added some new equipment. What I've got is, I went ahead and got a second wash and cure station because you want to make sure that all the resin and stuff is really off of the resin print before you cure it. And the next thing is if you just use one, it gets really cloudy. Let me show you here. Now it's still fine, it's just cloudy, a little dark. What I do is that I will run this under the the curing light, UV light, for about probably 10 minutes or so, just so that any small particles it gets solidified, and then I will drain this through filters to get out most of the parts, put it back in. The part, it's still usable, but it doesn't make the print look nice. So what you do, you have second. This is all fresh. This is actually IPA. This is just regular isopropyl alcohol, not the stuff that craft brewers make. I don't recommend drinking this. And so that's it. I've been building huge printed. Look. Oh goodness. Get that in there. Space Cruiser or Space Battleship Yamato. This is a 3D print that Alain Rivard does the artwork for. I'll put a link in the description. I've got some painting on here using Tamiya paints. I just love this, the deck work here. That is actually a combination. You can hear me way over there. What's going on? Oh yeah, okay. Turret. Okay. Remember those. But I'm going to do a review on these. I'm going to be doing a review on these. AK has these beautiful real color markers, and so what's nice is they come in this neat little box. And I used one here called Wood Base as a basic color. And then I used Timmy Brown Panel Line as a wash to just sort of give it that wood look. So as you can see, workbench is here. A little messy right now because you have a project going on. Got some more kits unpacked. I got rid of one of the shelves. You remember I did two because I needed the space here. Plus I needed the shelf in the house for other things. Yeah, that's a quick and dirty. Oh yeah, it's very important on your bamboo AMS. Keep track of the humidity level in it. If you have the bamboo app on the phone or on your computer, it will monitor what the humidity is in here. And this actually got way over 5, and when I went to replace some of the desktops were actually broken and there was moisture everywhere. I just got new ones, got them replaced. About 2 days later, everything down to like 1 again, so I feel better about printing things. So yeah, not too bad. Got some more storage going on there. Probably going to completely redo this and maybe go with smaller drawers or something. There's my storage for my my paints and my extra filament, things of that nature. Also, look, I have a floor. We did finally manage to get some workers in here and get the remaining plywood flooring pieces up into the loft where they're out of the way. And right now, I think this is the last piece for my customer. I love this. This is the Anycubic Photon Mono M5. I was told it was like a really good one when I got it, and then when I went to find out some information on it, there was all sorts of things for it, except for this one, which was kind of weird. But I got the Wham Bam plate, which is a little magnetic sheet that holds a metal print plate on here. Also got one for the little Mars Pro. This has been a real trooper, this Mars Pro. I've had it about 3 years now. 3, 4, maybe. And it prints great. It does fine for small parts. So. Anyway, I have got to do some work. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Get them clean, get them... What am I looking at? Getting them cured and clean, washed and cured. And then I'll do some final prep, and I don't know why I keep looking over here. I'll do some final prep and get it packed up and off to the customer. So, or the client. I don't want to call them customer. Client is a good word. Yeah, client. Okay. Let's get started. Probably be in the way, but a general rule is if you're using doing anything with chemicals, resin especially, get yourself some protection. it just helps in the long run. Now this is the alcohol bath is pretty strong. I think it's 70%. I don't remember. So, you know what? I'm just going to open my front door. The door. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get to cracking. Oh, they printed out great with very minimal support. Really good. Look at that. I got the front door standing wide open. I don't recommend just pulling the part off of the print plate like this without getting rid of the supports first. But wow, that is just something else. When I do this, I take my rag and I wipe towards the end of the fingers. There is still resin, uncured resin on above, and wiping it towards the end of the fingers really helps with keeping it clean. Alright, so we got that set for 4 minutes. On a wash cycle, press that button, and it does its thing. One of the nice things about the Wham Bam plate, you can just take this little sheet off. There's a magnet up here that holds it in place. Flex it, parts come off. Well, parts on. Wow, surface tension is really keeping the part, the supports on there tight. When I go to put it on my fingers back here behind it, put it at an angle like that. Avert my eyes because sometimes it will splash. Boom, done. It's ready for the next print. Second wash. Beautiful. Okay. One more thing before I get into this while we're still waiting for the second wash. Um, this past summer has been here in coastal North Carolina. Every time we've had a hurricane come by or a tropical storm, even though the shop does have insulation and it's fully weathered in and I've got air conditioning going, the humidity in the shop here jumped to well over 80, almost 90, and was causing some problems, as you can see with the shelves here, the bowing. And this only happened because these got damp. The stuff that's on here doesn't really weigh that much, but it was enough to make the bowing. Now, in the interim, I have adjusted the air conditioner so that it's actually working better. And I went ahead and bought a little room-sized dehumidifier. And the way this works, it's really cool. Got a little indicator lights here. The lights change different colors, but when it gets full, you can actually see the water level is here. Right now, 79 degrees in the shop, 60% humidity. It feels great in here, and I just wanted to update you with that. I got more artwork that's going to be going on the walls in the next several days, and yeah. Okay, that's ready. Now what I do is I take my parts. I have some fresh paper towel down. And that is strong. Oh my God. If you leave them wet like this and you put them in the cure, it's going to make a really weird coating on it. So what I do is I just gently wipe them in one direction. That helps get the excess alcohol and moisture off of them. Backside I'm not too worried about, but still it's a good idea to do that. Oh. Here. Because the resin is still not fully cured. Set that for 6 minutes. Lid. Yeah, of course. Fine, we'll do your way. Anycubic makes these. These go inside the printer, the 3D printer. This little charcoal filter that they're rechargeable, and they suck air in through the bottom and blow fresh air out the top. But I stopped using them. I don't know why, but I use them as a in the cure chamber to prop the parts, which you can't see because this is in the way. Okay, back in 6 minutes. Ah! Yeah, okay, good. All right. That's annoying, but it's part of the process. Um, so the new, this is curing. This is all ready to go for the next batch. This is ready to go for the next print. I think I have, yeah, I think I have one more? Yeah. Yeah, one more part to print. And then let the client know, pack it up, ready to go. That was, I know we didn't get a lot accomplished on here. Oh, I wanted to give you an update on the swine hunt rebuild. This right here. It's currently on hold. I needed a part. I went to replicate the part, and I used some silicone rubber kit that was actually expired. I didn't know it. We're several months in since I started the project, and the mold still has not cured. I'm in the process of trying to clean everything out, clean the parts out. I've got a friend of mine over on the Facebook forum, the Deals Wheels forum, who's actually going to make me the parts, and we'll get the swine hood. It will get done. It will get finished. The base rebuild is going along. Well, it's stalled right now because I have other things, you know, other projects on the burners and such. So, but yeah, that's what else is going on. Not much, I think. Anyway, this will be curing and it'll be done. I guess I'll catch you next time. Thank you so much again for visiting Rob's Cave 3.0. I am Rob. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by visiting our Patreon. And while you're there, you can buy Nala a treat. You can also buy me a cup of coffee here. Well, just please like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, comment, and I will catch you on the next one.